how to transfer Uber Cash to bank account. Here's what you want to do. First, you want to open up the browser on your phone and you want to go to this website wallet.uber.com. Once you have gone into your Uber wallet, you will need to sign into your account. And right here, you will see your Uber Cash as well as your balance. Now we need to add a payment method first. So click on add payment method here. And then you will choose receive, connect a bank account or debit card. Next, you need to choose whether you want to connect a bank account or a credit or debit card. So I'm just going to choose this, and you want to add your debit card in this case. After you have connected a payment method here, then you will see your earnings and you just want to cash out your earnings. So you will either go into your balance or your Uber Cash. And here, if you have any Uber Cash, then you will see a withdraw section or button or cash out. Click on that, and you will be able to withdraw your money on Uber Driver. Hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.